Hey guys, hello and welcome to another episode of Dhruv Reviews. Want to watch this video in Hindi? Please click that button so that it will take you straight to that video. So this video was not actually planned. I received a call the other day from my friend Viren, who owns a 13-year-old Honda Stunner motorbike, and he was telling me that he wants to make it look slightly better than it is. As you can see in these images, the bike has seen a lot of paint damage, paint oxidation, scratches, and you name it. There is paint coming off in bits around the tank, if you can see here, and on the fairing it has lost all its luster. There is no gloss, no shine whatsoever. The headlamp is also badly oxidized and there is a yellow hazy tint over it. The plastics are dull and grey out. The fairing has got scratches, you can see here. The clear coat has failed in a number of places if you just go closer. I think the tank has got the worst damage. There is a lot of pitting of paint, marking of oxidation, scratches, clear coat failure. It even has base coat failure at the base, at the bottom of the tank. So our experiment is to try and make it slightly better than it is at present. We are going to be using some of these products that you can see in the image here. Namely, we've got a rubbing compound, we've got some polishes, and finally we want to use the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine Spray Ceramic as some sort of protection. And we will be using this battery operated drill machine as a rotary polisher, and we hope to make this bike look a little better than its current condition. And we're not hoping that the bike will be showroom fresh, because then that would be too much to expect. As a trial, we've taped out this area on the tank to see if we can make any difference at all by applying some rubbing compound. We will be using the rubbing compound and then later using 2 stages of polishes to see how it turns out. So after working on it for about 10 minutes or so and removing the tape, we can see that we were able to flatten the paint, remove some of the minor scratches and the paint oxidation. And as you can see, the gloss in this taped area is slightly better than the rest of the tank, which appears to have a matte finish and no gloss. So this was an encouraging sign for us, and then we decided to go ahead and give the whole bike a try with the same method that we followed. As you can see in the side-by-side comparison, the one on the left is the before, the one on the right is the after. See the enhancement in the gloss and the shine that we were able to get with just the use of these products that we have lying around at home. And I think it was definitely much better than the before of the bike. If you look at the headlamp, we were able to restore some sort of shine back to it. So this image shows the first stage, that compounding, and then we went ahead and did another stage to make it even better. Look at the front mudguard, that has got some of its shine back. The fairing on the left, you can see that the paint oxidized, paint damage has got some sort of shine and luster back. The most improvement is in the tank, where you can see the pitted paint and the clear coat failure. We were able to remove all that with the rubbing compound and able to flatten the paint. And the paint sealant added a bit of gloss and shine back to the bike. So overall, this is how much we were able to change the bike in just 90 minutes of our time using the products that we had at home, which cost us, I think, maybe 500 to 600 rupees at the most. I would like to know what you guys think about this, especially look at the headlamp. The one on the left is before, the one is after on the right. Let us know what you think about this transformation of the bike. As you can see, the before, and then here is another image where we see the difference in the same panels with just 90 minutes of effort. If you like this video, please go ahead and like the video, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here are some of the final shots that I'd like to show you. As always, thank you so much for watching the roof reviews. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.